In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Lyft gift card. If you want to treat someone to a ride, help a friend get to an appointment, or simply give the gift of convenience, a Lyft gift card is a quick, thoughtful option. I'll walk you through the simple process and share a few tips so everything goes smoothly from start to finish. Begin by opening the official Lyft gift card page in your browser. This is the most straightforward way to send a digital gift card directly to someone's inbox. If you prefer shopping elsewhere, Lyft gift cards are also available through major retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, Target, CVS, Walgreens, Kroger, and 7-Eleven. Some of these offer digital delivery, while others may sell physical cards in store. On the Lyft gift card page, look for the button that says Send a gift card and click it. This opens the order form. First, choose the amount you want to send. Most options range from $25 to $200. Pick an amount that matches the occasion or the trips you expect the recipient might take. Keep in mind that available denominations can vary over time and by location. Next, enter the recipient's name and email address. Take a moment to double-check the spelling since the gift card will be delivered by email and you want it to land in the right inbox. You can also add a short, friendly message. This part is optional, but it's a nice way to personalize the gift, especially for birthdays, graduations, or thank yous. Select the delivery date. You can send it instantly, which is great for last-minute gifting, or schedule it for a future day. If you're planning around a specific event, remember to consider time zones so the email arrives when you expect. When you're happy with the details, click Checkout. You'll be prompted to pay using a debit or credit card, and in some regions, PayPal may be available. Enter your payment information and confirm the purchase. Make sure your billing details are correct to avoid delays. After payment is complete, the gift card is sent by email. The recipient will receive instructions in that message on how to add the balance to their account. If they don't see it right away, suggest they check their promotions or spam folders. You'll usually receive a confirmation as well, so it's a good idea to save it for your records. That's all there is to it. Whether you buy directly from Lyft or through a trusted retailer, you can send a useful gift in just a few minutes.